Here we are in my basement. This is a continuation of the videos regarding using an Autotransformer with the Lycan 5000, an Autotransformer made by Victron that converts 120 volts AC single phase to 240 volts split or non-split. So I'm using that so that I can power these transfer switches. This was my original transfer switch, which has most of my priority circuits in my home that were set up according to my specifications by the electrician. And then we redecorated our kitchen, and that required, or maybe not required, but that's the way our electricians did it, a separate transfer switch. So here's the kitchen transfer switch, and that's everything else transfer switch. And one problem I had was that the Lycan only puts out 120 volt single phase, so that all of these circuits, which normally would have been balanced across two legs, were being run off of one leg. In bypass mode, the Lycan would pass through only one leg of a service panel to power across what normally would have been across two legs. One leg is on the left and the other leg is on the right. So what the Autotransformer does for me is helps balance, no matter what the loads are, it balances the loads and also supplies 240 volts, which now means that I was not able to confidently switch on some of the circuits in the kitchen because, for example, the oven uses 240 volts. Even though I wouldn't run the main oven, I would at least like to have the electronics of the stove, the clock and things like that. The warmer oven may, in fact, be within the specifications of Lycan. We'll have to check that out. But if it is, then electrically, I'm good. I can just switch the kitchen circuits on, and if I'm careful to keep the switched in circuits within the power specifications of the Lycan, it will work. It was not possible when I had single phase output. Here's my M1 output on my handy iPad there. It's running, right now it's running, if you watch the previous videos, this 168 watts is from the refrigerator in the garage. And, oh, my furnace is on. Okay, that's fine. I hope you can still hear me. And the other load is coming from a few off-grid. Oh my gosh. I'll have to edit this so that loud noise. Oh, furnace, why would you come on now?